Alright, in this video we're going to go ahead and take a look at a feature in Adobe Premiere that is called Set to Frame Size. So the first thing I want to talk about is what exactly is frame size. So frame size is the size of your video. So it's going to be the height and width. So for the most videos that you're going to be producing, everything is going to be rectangular, so it's going to look good on your TV screen. Another common version of frame size is think about the shorts and what you see on Snapchat and Twitter, those kind of things that are on the vertical view that is on your cell phone view. So whatever the first thing you put onto the Adobe Premiere timeline, that sets your frame size. So think about putting in an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper onto your timeline. So that's the size. So then we decided we wanted to drop a JPEG or a picture onto our timeline, but the picture's frame size is, let's say it's the size of a poster board. So in this example, we'll think of our video as kind of the size of a piece of paper, and this JPEG I'm going to drop on is going to be the size of a poster board. And I'm going to make my JPEG just a little bigger here so you can actually see it on the screen. When I drug my JPEG, I didn't physically expand it, I simply just made it on the timeline longer. When you bring in media, like a video, if it's 3 minutes long, it automatically is 3 minutes on the timeline. JPEGs, PNGs, those kind of things, they have a default length of about 10 or so seconds. So you can see here that my Hornet is the size of a poster, and my video is the size of an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. So I could go through and make some manual adjustments and drag it around, or I can right-click first, and then I can go to Set to Frame Size, and what it's going to do is it's going to make my Hornet fit within the size of the paper. So it's going to automatically reduce it. I can then further click on it, come up here to my preview effects controls, and then I can additionally scan it. So I can make it bigger or smaller. And then I also have the ability to place it by physically dragging left and right and up and down. And so that Hornet will remain in place for the entire length that it's on the timeline in that particular position. So that is the set to frame size. So a lot of times you're going to use that when you're doing overlays. So you'll start with your videos first on the timeline, and then you'll add your JPEGs and your text and those kind of things.